Hello all, let's start with the next chapter, consumer education and protection. What are the objectives of consumer education? This is to understand who is a consumer, to understand the importance of consumer, as manufacturers have begun to realize that it is essential to respect and take care of safety of consumers. Because India has been transforming from underdeveloped to developing economy due to globalization in industry. So it is necessary for today's consumer to be careful, alert and be well informed. This is also to understand the rights and responsibilities of consumers. Now see who is the consumer. The person who buys goods and services which is to be consumed by himself or by someone else on the behalf of buyer is consumer. Right to consumer education, why it is important for consumers? Because according to this, the knowledge and the skill should be acquired by informed consumer throughout the life. If a consumer is ignorant, he is being exploited by the manufacturers, and there should be the rights which he should exercise. Along with each right, certain responsibilities are there which he should observe. Now let's see about the consumer rights. Right to safety. This means to be protected against the hazardous effects that may cause due to health or life of consumer. Right to be informed about the quality, quantity, potency and purity of goods and services. Right to choose amongst various quality, quantity, price, size, design at competition price. He should be able to choose freely according to his needs and wants. Right to be heard. Consumer interest will receive due consideration at proper forums which are working to ensure consumer welfare. Right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices or exploitations. Right to consumer education. This is to acquire skills and knowledge to be able to make wise decisions while purchasing this or hiring the services. With this, there are right to basic need is there, means pure food, shelter and clothing without any adulteration. And right to healthy environment means to say pure environment where there is no communicable diseases spreaded. This is the right to consumer. Let's see, there are various responsibilities along with the rights associated. Type of activity a consumer is expected to perform as a part of purchase decision, like to use the product safely, to find and use the information, to choose purchase safely, to speak up against the adulteration or unfair trade practices, to seek redressal, to learn, to reward good service, to promote healthy relations and caring relations with the environment. There are various problems which are faced by consumers in day-to-day life, like adulteration in food. This is to earn profit. Shopkeepers add stones, marble chips, brick powder in cereals and spices. Misleading packaging is there. Manufacturer pack substandard products in packaging similar in size, shape, color, etc. and mislead the consumers. Hoarding. Shopkeepers create artificial storage in the market. Defective weights and measure. Use of hollow bottom iron weights. Use of irregular weights. Missing pointers in the balance. Price variations. Shopkeepers charge more than MRP. Selling of loose items without labels. Lack of quality product. Expired medicines are sold, duplicate products are sold. Poor consumer guidance. Shopkeepers do not give full and correct information. They refuse to give leaflets to consumers. Delayed consumer services. Wrong bills are given to the consumers. Too many brands. Because of it, consumers get confused to choose. The promising advertisement increases such confusions. Various consumer aids or the helps which are given by the government to consumers. These are labels, a written engraved descriptive matter which is fixed to the container or a lid of any food pack. It consists of name of the product, list of the ingredients, MRP, date of expiry, nutrition value of the food, directions to use, manufacturer's address, net weight. Next, advertisements help consumers to know the product which are available in the market. They give information about special feature in the product, meant for both literate and illiterate persons. Leaflets, handouts with one or more folds of paper, contain detailed description of the product, inform consumer about existence of the product, contains salient features and the uses. It contains details of cost of equipment, instruction of maintenance. Next, standardized marks are there, various standardized marks which gives the promise of quality of product. Let's see what are these standardized marks which are given. These are egg mark, ISI mark, FPO and BIS. Egg mark is awarded by BIS, that is Bureau of Indian Standard. It ensures consumers about the quality of product. Egg mark are usually found which are related to the agricultural products like ghee, butter, wheat flour, pulses, rice, sugar, jaggery. It encourages healthy marketing practices. Next is ISI mark. The mark of quality given by BIS, Bureau of Indian Standard. After every 5 years, standard mark is reviewed for amendment. It develops awareness amongst the manufacturer to produce the quality product. All the electrical appliances, gas stoves, pans, pressure cookers, etc. contains ISI mark. FPO lays minimum standards related to the quality. Also lays standards for hygiene and sanitation. It launches many publicity campaigns to educate the public. Limit for the use of preservatives is also controlled under these marks. They gives full instructions for packaging and labeling. Products, pickle, jam, jelly, squashes, crushes, pulp, beverage, etc. Hallmark is there. Hallmark is awarded again by the BIS. It assures consumers that jewelry is genuine and adheres to the international purity. It is for gold, silver jewelry and logo is used by certified jewelers. These are the certain aids which are given by the government to the consumers. Let's see what is CPA. CPA is Consumer Protection Act which was given in 1986. Now it is called Amendment Act of 2011. What are the various features of CPA? It includes both the goods and the services. It covers public, private and cooperative sectors. Nominal fees is kept for filing the complaint in a court. Three-tier quasi-judiciary machinery system is there. Means district level court headed by district court. Complaints including the claims up to 20 lakh are there in district level court. State Commission handles the complaints involving claim of more than 20 lakh and less than 1 crore. It is headed by High Court Judge. National Commission headed by Supreme Court Judge. Claims more than 1 crore is handled by National Commission. Within 90 days the redressal is done. Notice is given to the opposite party. After getting the court order, opposite party will reply in 30 days and it is mandatory for both the parties to attend and send the representatives for all the hearings. With this we have finished this chapter. Take good care of yourself.